What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Japan. Today's video, I got a friend that moved from Tokyo down here to Okinawa. His name's Kyle, he's a really cool dude. He actually had an R33 GTR, sold that for a Miata, which sounds crazy, right? He raced the Miata up in the tracks in the mainland. He also bought a turbo Altezza. It's 500 horsepower, it's been dynoed. It's gonna be crazy. We're gonna go pick it up from the port right now. Pretty excited. Real quick, if you don't know who Kyle is, he's a friend of mine. He's an awesome videographer. He makes some really cool content, stuff just like this. He also has a lot of videos of him doing stuff in mainland things. Check it out, check out the YouTube channel out. Here's the name of the channel right here. So I'm actually gonna text him, tell him to come on down. Let's head to the port. What's up, dude? Oh, appreciate it, man. Yeah, I'll actually let him borrow this until his came in, but the car came in faster than he thought it would have.
Is this our first time meeting?
Yeah, man. How's it going officially, dude?
Yeah.
We've been talking on Facebook for like a year, but
yeah,
that's crazy.
Yeah,
so we're in the slow brew today.
Okay.
I figured get some better gas mileage and AC and a little bit more comfortable than the GTR.
I'm cool with that.
But heck yeah, man. All right, so I always make fun of the Subaru. I'm gonna launch it for you guys.
Jesus! All-wheel drive.
100.
I can't believe it's not slow.
Yeah, it's not
slow at all. I wasn't ready.
Yeah, most people aren't. One guy was like, "What?" Like, and he has a 600 horsepower GTR. He was like, "What's happening?"
What was that from, like 3K?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. That's funny.
Power braked it.
I would be curious to see. Is that recording?
Yeah, I hope so.
Uh-oh.
It was?
No, yeah,
Okay,
it was.
I was like, no! That's awesome. So
it's just like, I thought I was going to get hit in the face with the camera. I thought I was going to get a bloody nose, which would be good for the video.
I mean, it would.
So I would be okay with that.
This
This truck up here's hubcap is shaking like crazy.
Yeah, the blue one, the flatbed. Once we start going again, we'll show you. So we didn't have the camera on. We just missed a Evo wagon and R35 GTR. I was telling him, I was like, "Oh my God, Evo wagon!" He was like, "Why are you freaking out? Why are you yelling at me?" I was like, "Because I've only seen two the entire time I've been here, a silver one and a black one, and we just saw a silver one, so that might have been the same one." But he said he sees them all over the place in Tokyo, and I was like, "This is some bull crap. I want some more Evo wagons. I've only seen a handful in real life, so sorry guys. I'll try to film on the way back if it's there." I'm telling you, it's gonna knock somebody off their moped.
Or it's gonna hit somebody in their GTR.
Oh yeah, there'll be some issues there. I don't mind the slow brew as much.
Maybe hit those Series 3 headlights.
Oh God, I'll throw up. I always like coming down to the port because there's always cool cars. You can see this Evo, probably a 7. What is that? Doesn't say. It's all rusty already. Oh, that's not good. It's a,
just got an Okinawa. It's all
yeah,
rusty.
I mean, there's all kinds of rust here. But there's we're kind of lost. We're just driving around. The navigation says we're here, but we are not, in fact, here. So we're just driving around. I've been here once when I picked up that R34. If you haven't seen that video, it's right here. Go look at it. It's crazy. You got ruining and shipping. Oh no, semi truck. So we're gonna drive around a bit. And this, okay, I think this is it. Starting to open up down here.
Just look for the white sedan.
There are white sedans literally everywhere. There's one right there. You're in one. All right, so I'm looking at the Altezza for the first time. The 500 horsepower, boosted. It actually is 2JZ swapped from a Supra. I just learned today actually that the Altezzas the JDM Altezzas didn't come with 2Js. They had the 1G FE and the Beams motors. So I guess I'll show you guys this drift. You're gonna love it. One of the subscribers, Drift, is a huge Altezza fan, and when Kyle reached out and said he was picking up, I was like, "Can I come?" I know I had him in mind, so he's probably pretty stoked. Oh, let's check it out. So I think we'll start at the front here. Oh, Lexus brakes.
UCF from Excelsior.
Oh, nice. The big HKS front mount. Yeah, that thing. I like the relocation of the license plate. It looks like they did it themselves, I assume.
Oh yeah, it's drilled straight into the bumper.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. There's no bracket.
Okay. That's funny. So he's gonna have to get new Okinawa plates, because that is from where'd you say?
Tama.
Tama.
So, yeah, Tama.
So out there in near Fusa. Yeah. Got the ABS wheels on it. The Excelsior brakes. Oh, so the Excelsior rotors and calipers, or just?
I don't know about the rotors. I assume the rotors are just kind of aftermarket thing.
Yeah, they're bigger though.
They are, yeah. But I believe the brakes are from a Celsius.
Okay, and they're all powder coated red. It says Lexus on it. That's fun. That's cool, man. It's really nice. So he says this car is pretty scary. Spins a lot. It's probably gonna be worse out here in Okinawa. Oh no! He said this happened during the dyno day when he put down, what was exactly the number?
486.
46 of the wheels. So that's probably 550, 560 to the crank. Somewhere in there. Man. He's got the sunroof. That's nice. Oh yeah. So he's moving. Right now he lives in a hotel. And, oh, Snapdragon. It's really windy, guys. I hope you're not getting too much wind noise. But he's got all the baby stuff. He's got the car seat. He's got playpens. Like some sort of baby stroller, I think. Is that what that is? Yeah. Yep. Oh, it's starting to rain. Just chock full of stuff that the family needed. This is hilarious, man.
And I got my shaving cream, my soy sauce.
Oh, the important, yeah, all the important stuff.
Yeah.
Dude, this is really cool. I can't wait to hear it. So, he's having a finicky issue with his ECU. So if you look up there on the dash, there's instructions in Japanese on how to prevent the car from stalling out. That's pretty funny, actually. I guess his wife being Japanese helps. Nice little Blitz boost gauge. Oh, it's a nice, I've never actually paid attention to their, oh wow.
Yeah.
That is sick.
Check to make sure it's in, oh yeah, it's in gear, so let's put it in neutral.
Yeah, that is sick. That gauge cluster, I had my sunglasses on, I couldn't even see it. That is awesome. This is Sard?
It's Stack10 is the company.
Okay.
I think it's a Japanese
one. It says
one.
Sard on it. Sard Stack10.
Yeah.
That's cool.
You want me to turn it on?
Yeah, let's crank it up. Oh. Oh. Yes. That is magical.
Should we pop the hood?
Oh yeah, let's pop the hood. Oh yeah.
This hood is crazy heavy.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, man, that thing sounds good.
Feel it.
Why? Oh my God, what? Why?
I don't know why.
Carbon fiber immediately.
I have so I ordered I have an FRP hood that just came in, but it got damaged in shipment.
Oh no. Man, HKS GT Pro. Oh, you said the T56?
I believe so. I'd have to double check. Because I bought the car and I immediately moved here, so.
Oh yeah, that's right. It came from it, that's right.
I looked it up before I bought it and then I forgot, but yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a T56.
That is awesome. Man, the 2J's looking like it right at home in the Altezza. That is so cool. So we're gonna let this thing warm up, do some walk-arounds. Oh my God, it's super windy. God, that hurt. We're gonna do some walk-arounds and make sure there's no damage. I see the Blitz coilovers. That's nice.
Yeah, I had HKS ones, but they were blown. So
yeah, they look brand new. So.
Yeah,
Man, so how much does an Altezza 500 horsepower Tesla go for in Japan?
22K.
22K.
Let's be honest, you're mostly paying for the engine.
Yeah,
right?
6K for a 2JZ.
Yeah.
And then all the turbo. That's
Turbo.
all.
I looked it up when I knew what it was called.
Yeah.
I looked it up. It was about 3.5, 4 grand.
Jeez. Is it ball bearing?
Yes.
Okay, I think so. That's what I mean, it makes it for that price tag. It has to be, right?
I'd have to do more research.
Oh yeah.
So the things I need to, so I'm gonna make a video myself. Anyone who watches my channel knows I'm not a mechanic.
Hey, show them the back of your shirt. Amateur enthusiast. I'm telling you, dude, his stuff is super high quality. If you saw at the beginning, it's really, really high quality.
So the things I need to look at is I need to get more details on the turbo, more details on the injectors and that kind of thing before I actually make a video on the car. Because if you watch my channel, you know that I'm not a mechanic. I'm a driver only. So yeah. So I'd say things that kind of make people crazy, but
oh yeah, like that's not. Yeah, my rotary girder is not engaging. Like.
Yeah. You know?
Oh, that's funny. This is wild, man. I feel like this is some dude like had a boat, a fishing boat,
Yeah.
and put your car on it. Because
when I dropped it off, it was weird too. I was like, "Hey, what do you need from me?" And they were like, "Nothing. Here, we have the car. Just give me the keys."
Oh
and
my.
I'm like, "Well, the only I need to prove I need to own the car. Like, do I pay you now?" Like, no, I just deal with it in Okinawa. And I was like,
so this is
right.
yeah. What's crazy is when we walked to the shop and he handed them a slip of paper and was like, "Hey, here's this and here's the money." Didn't ask for ID. Nothing.
It's
Literally.
not even in my name. It's in my wife's name.
Oh my. She's not even here.
Yeah.
You don't look like your wife at all.
No. I wish I did.
You'd be prettier.
Yeah, I make better videos.
Yeah, you'd be.
Hey,
Yeah, you'd be.
what kind of video?
Dude. Yeah, the YouTube channel would have already blown up.
Yeah, it would have.
So, hey, what does some of this stuff mean?
So, I don't know. That's for shipping stuff.
This is crazy. Yeah, the fact that he didn't come out here with like a pen and paper and like a previous inspection sheet is wild. Man.
Nothing's broken. Worked out.
Yeah, no, it looks good.
Took 3 days. 3 days from mainland.
3 day shipping. That's freaking crazy, man. Yeah, that's not bad at all. That's way faster than I would have anticipated.
Will I get in trouble if we rev it?
No.
Or we do that somewhere else?
Let's rev it.
Okay.
I mean, if it's, we'll see. Well, maybe we'll do it once and then we'll be like, oh, sorry. Let's hear it. Is it all warmed up?
Yep.
All right. Ooh, that sounds good. Oh, we gotta hear the turbo flutter. All right, hit that again. Yes. Oh, that sounded so good. Oh man, this is, oh, I can't wait, man. I just can't wait to hear it driving and stuff. So this video was a little bit more helpful that there was no damage like how David's 34 was. Man, I love Altezzas. I think I might have to build one for the channel when I leave. Of course, it won't be an Altezza, it'll be a IS300, but what do you guys think about that? Oh man, that car sounds so good. I didn't have the camera up in time, but he gave me a little flyby. Ooh, it smells good. Check out the water though. Really pretty out here today. Let me see if I can get some action. Oh no! Prius! Why is the Prius always pulling out in front of me? Oh. Oh my gosh. That thing sounds so good. Yeah, it looks good. Hey, you ever get tired of you tired of the way that thing sounds? It's freaking awesome. It sounds so good. I can't wait to upgrade my turbo. God, it sounds good. It's not that loud.
The engine?
The motor, the exhaust, I mean.
Oh, the motor?
No, the exhaust.
Oh, it's still up to me.
Not really that loud.
I like it to not going around.
Yeah, but this is pretty quiet for Okinawa.
You think so?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Okay.
That's.
In Tokyo, this was too much.
Oh really?
Yeah.
All the buildings, echoes. We have a lot less of that here. So I think you're.
Reconsider it. I was thinking just putting a resonator on it.
Okay. Seems fine to me. That's so cool. Oh man, it sounds so good. You don't want none of it. Yes. Yes. Oh man. Ah, I love Japan so much. That was awesome. That just sounds so good. 2JZ Altezza. 486 horsepower at the wheels. Pretty crazy. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for the video. If you haven't already, go check out Amateur Enthusiasm. Some awesome work. Seriously, it's some fantastic work. He spray farts all over my my cinematics. This stuff is way better. So he's got a little bit more training on some photography stuff, so probably translate it over better. But check it out. I want to say thanks for including me in this. I enjoy doing car stuff, and yeah, it was a blast. So like, comment as always. I'll see you next time.